naglagay dito ng choice ama.
Ito na, hindi ko na talaga patatagalin. Dahil ang mga nasa likod, excited na sa next performer natin na napapanood nyo sa Sing Ballet! Everyone, let's give it up for Miss Kaye Brosas!
Music, dito ako sa likod mong gagaling. May iba lang. Halin niyo ako sa kaulong, charot lang. Ewan ko, nakalimutan ka. No remorse, no regret. Ewan din. Ooh, I don't wanna leave you. I don't wanna fight. Started to cry, but mga tektado! Go na go! Walk out the door! Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Want you to always try to hurt, but goodbye, you think I crumble. You think I lay down and die? I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand, and I can love me better than, and I can love me better than. Patandiyan kayo, baka sumudin ta. Go now, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Don't you always try to hurt like better than mine. You think I crumble. You think I lay down and die. Oh no, not I. I will survive. And oh, so always tired. I know I'm still alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my life to give. I will survive. I will survive. Hey. Oy! Oy! Yung dapat, kailangan mataas ang energy. Woo! Pardon. Ano ko, sakit ng ano. At saka ihi ako mga 2 drops. Hello po, it's been a long time. Nakakatuwa, nagbalik uli ako dito kahit yung tinatanong. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy po ba lahat? Akala mo hindi si Kwenta, shit. Hoy! Wala sa edad yan, tama! Yung mga nasa likod, kamay koy! Masunurin, masunurin. Masunurin. Maraming po salamat sa mga nag-imbita sa amin dito. Sir MVP, asa ba sir? Sir! Pinangingialam close kami. Feeling close. Feeling close kami, kaya nangingialam. Maraming po salamat sa inyo sa magbuti nyo dito. Alam ko, mahirap ang trabaho. Sino naman dito yung mga hindi pa makabukon? Yung broken hearted! Oh, tama. Maghihiwalay din kayo lahat. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me. But there's no sense pretending my heart is not made with feelings. That's when I thought I was over you. That's when I thought I would stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come back. And I just can't go on without. Ito naman para sa mga happily married, mga in love. Okay? I'm on out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know